Are you thinking of finding a house buying company to buy your house for cash? Watch this video first to learn about the red flags to watch out for. I'm Kyle McCorkle, and I've been in real estate for over 10 years. I've helped buyers and sellers on over 100 deals, either as a direct buyer myself or as a realtor representing my clients. In that time, I've seen a lot of sellers who were looking for a quick, easy cash offer, and they got burned. And I've learned about these top 3 red flags. Number 1, find a company that is reputable. You want a company that has reviews online, is highly rated by the Better Business Bureau, and that has a presence in the community for a long time. Don't just sell your house to some random dude who texted you or called you or put a "We Buy Houses" sign beside a busy street. If they're anonymous, that's a bad sign. Number 2, don't sell your house to someone who uses pushy sales tactics, or if they make it seem like you don't have any options. A true professional will let you take your time and will be able to present you with multiple options to get your house sold the way you want it to. Number 3, most importantly, make sure you're selling the house to a direct buyer. Most We Buy Houses companies are not direct buyers, but rather they're trying to sell their agreement of sale with you to other buyers for a huge fee. This is called wholesaling, which is a legitimate practice, but most companies are not compliant with state regulations, and they won't tell you the risks to the seller. Ask any major We Buy Houses company if they are wholesaling. If they don't give you a straight answer, run away. I'm Kyle McCorkle with Safe Home Offer and Prime Home Real Estate. Thanks for watching.